is one of, let's say it's a national monument now, and it has its original, let's say, construction style still. And
ta è final dia di lo qual si chiama Divisional Council Meeting, kuta gathering di Tour Kiwanis Club ding Division. Division consisti di 5 club di Aruba, Curaçao, Bonaire, Suriname e Trinidad and Tobago. Ovviamente door die COVID e outro club não pode viajar para Aruba, dus nós hasi toch algo com e club na Aruba. Door que mi jefe de Kiwanis, governador de Eastern Caribbean e Eastern Canada and Caribbean District, abim visitar voor die Barbados. E nós queremos toch doen programa amplio durante sua visita. Ahora nós estamos em Nicolas como parte do final do programa, showcasing beleza que San Nicolas tem de murals, cultura, etc. Dus até hoje eu gosto mais opi. Mi tinko bisa não está afortunadamente não está bem bom, mas era pensa claro hopi out of the box para com nós por generar fundo, etc. lo qual Kiwanis está se generar fundo e dar back na comunidade. Nós tour conhecer o famoso Carnival Masquerade Party, Wine and Cheese Party, Nostalgia Party, caminha nos club nang ta recordar fundo. Esse não, lamentavelmente não pode tomar lugar, então nós fazemos diferente, outra coisa para recordar fundo, não é tanto como antes, pero me tenho vista, nós temos esperança para o futuro, para você seguir bem nosso bom trabalho. Eu quero agradecer ao Clube San Nicolas, Kiwanis Club of San Nicolas, que faz tremendo trabalho para organizar essa aqui na San Nicolas. E tem comitê que faz o full evento possível, que consiste de tour 4 adult clubs de Kiwanis na Aruba. E van 5 operações, 5 teamwork, nada está possível. E nós estamos com algo grande por orbitar pôr na cabeça junto.
Well, Aruba was one of the divisions that I was destined to travel as governor for 2020-2021. Each year, the governor will visit the various districts within divisions within the district, and we have 27 divisions in Eastern Canada and the Caribbean district. And Aruba is one of them. They belong to Division 26, along with Trinidad, Suriname, and Bonaire. Oh my goodness, the visit has just been fantastic. I've really enjoyed every minute of it. They've kept me very busy, but it's been a beautiful busy. I've met so many beautiful people, so many warm people. I could see why you are one of the tourist capitals of the world. To the Kiwanians in Division 26, well, what I really wanted to tell them was I was so motivated and inspired by the things that they've done this year. We've had an extremely challenging year with the pandemic, but the Kiwanians persevered, they were resilient, and despite the challenges of the pandemic, they have done wonderful things for the children around the district and especially here in Aruba to make their lives a little bit happier and healthier even in the presence of the pandemic.